What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark. Welcome to MarxTheSpot. And today we about to knock down some cactuses, baby. And not just knock them down, chainsaw some cactuses. Stay with me. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. You see them? Time to kiss these babies goodbye. That was a small one. I need to go for the big one. Here we go. Let's knock him down, baby. Oh shit. What didn't happen? Oh man. These damn things came out the plug. Hold on, let's reset this baby. Let's reset him. It ain't over, baby. We back at it. Yeah! Ha 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 ha! You see how you got scared? I didn't even have to touch him. Come on, baby. Finish him up. Got my eye a little bit. It ain't no. This still coming. Oh yeah. Let's get it. I'm about to cut this damn camera off. This thing keep cutting off on me. Cut it out, baby. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. No takes. One shot. One kill. What's the deal? Oh yeah. It ain't over. Yeah, baby. I'm coming for you. I'm coming. Make sure it don't fall on me. Timbers! 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 Get on out of here. What I say? I said we're coming to knock them down. We're coming to knock them down. Sit down somewhere. We ain't done. That's how you do it, baby. I ain't playing with it. Let it go. A couple more standing. A couple more, baby. They got to go. There it is, baby. Say hello to the people. Tell them how we do it around here, baby. We tears it down. And I ain't playing with you. So, now we gotta get it right. Get this stuff up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Can't control me. I run this. Oh, damn. Me and my dog. Gotta be careful, man. See, that's one thing. You gotta stay in control of what you do. That's the only way to end a successful mission. You know? So next time around, hey, can't let them get this big. Just gotta go ahead and keep them under control. Whoa, this big mug. It's a big sucker right there. They ain't going there. Can't put that in the trash. That gotta go out to the curb, baby. They got out of control. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get it back in control. Now we gotta drag them out, baby. One by one. We gonna get it done. Don't even wait. Ooh, shit. Don't even worry about it. We got this. Come on now. think about it. Stay right there. There it is, YouTube. Just me and my little friend. Got the job done. No cactus left standing. And that's all we got for you today, baby. So like and subscribe, and peace.